Let's talk about some limited edition kitchen essentials you are going to want in your home this holiday season. You're probably also going to want to get a few extras to gift. So first up, we have our returning Cranberry kitchen towels and kitchen cloths. Now, these aren't your average towels and cloths. Most kitchen towels are just not very absorbent. They stay damp, and before you know it, they smell musty from mold, mildew, and bacteria. In fact, with ordinary cotton towels, bacteria can start multiplying within minutes of getting damp, and by the next day, they are harboring millions of bacteria and germs that can then transfer onto our counters or our hands or even our dishes. That's why they get that funky smell so quickly. Now, Norwex kitchen towels are different. They are super absorbent. They can actually dry an entire load of dishes and keep going. I've tested these. They can absorb about 2 cups of liquid and they keep going. They dry super quickly. They're always fresh and ready to use again and again. The microfiber is densely woven, and this is that beautiful diamond texture, and they are proven to remove up to 99% of bacteria from our surface using just water. So we could actually get our hands even cleaner when we're using these to dry our hands. Plus, they have BacLock technology, which inhibits the growth of odor-causing bacteria, mold, and mildew inside the cloth, and they actually stay fresher longer. They're also OEKO-TEX certified, so you know they've been tested against harmful substances. Now, you can purchase these towels and cloths individually, or you can get them in a money-saving set. You can also grab the kitchen cloths, which I use a ton, in a trio for even more value. And this cranberry color is only here for the season. It was a huge hit last year. I'm so glad these are back. So now we're going to talk about something that you've probably been waiting for. It is the dual-sided tea towel. Look at that, so pretty, and sponge set. So this comes with one large reversible tea towel and one dual-sided sponge. It also comes in a great box that I happen to have here with this little peekaboo window. So it's really nice for gifting. Think about your office mates or white elephant gift or even just family, right? It makes a great gift. Now the tea towel is soft, super absorbent waffle weave, and it is made of microfiber. It's perfect for drying your dishes, your hands, soaking up even bigger spills, and the dual-sided sponge gives you the best of both worlds. One side is that waffle weave microfiber, great for wiping down things, little spills, and then the scrubby texture is perfect for tackling the tougher messes. I also like the shape. It fits in your hands so nicely. And just like all Norwex microfiber, these remove up to 99% of bacteria from our surfaces using just water alone or your dish soap, right? So here's why I love our tea towels. First of all, they cut down on waste. So no more endless paper towels or those nasty disposable sponges. These are amazing. They're machine washable. They're durable, long lasting, and they're safe for your entire family. Plus, let's face it, these are gorgeous, like so pretty. This cranberry and beautiful green color, very seasonal, adds some holiday cheer while we clean. We deserve it. So here's how you can get all of these. The dual-sided tea towel and sponge come together in a set only. You get one tea towel and one sponge. The kitchen towels and kitchen cloths, you can purchase these separately or as a money-saving set, or even get a trio of the kitchen cloths. These make practical, eco-friendly gifts, but trust me, once you get them, you're going to want to keep them in your own kitchen, and you won't ever want to go back to those ordinary towels or nasty, stinky sponges. So I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have an amazing day.